Guys, I'm back with you guys. We're here today to show you guys how to do some leather shoes. Now check this out, guys. What I want to do is show you a simple way to keep your leather shoes clean in the most efficient way. Just a little bit of water onto a brush, 4 drips of cleaner. That's all you need. Start with the nice lather on the actual leather, because leather has pores like your skin. You ever got out the shower and it's ashy because you didn't put on lotion? Same thing with the leather. For dress shoes, your more casual leathers, or maybe for a work boot like an Ariat or a Justin, right? See, my New York voice just kicked in, guys. That's what happens when I clean leather shoes. Now, after you're done, you're gonna take the rag and you're gonna wipe it down. It's just a simple process. What you're doing is re-moisturizing your leather, because over time, that sun is gonna dry out your leather. Bam! And then next thing you wanna do is we have this awesome stuff right here. We have some awesome stuff right here. It's called a leather cream. It's neutral colored, so that it just goes onto the shoe in a clear coat. Use a little bit on your hand. I like to use it with my hands because then it keeps me, moisturized too. Rub it onto the shoe like this. If you don't like to get down and dirty, then you're gonna go ahead and take this sponge here, guys. Dip it into your leather cream and go all around the shoe. Just like this. Because now you're putting the moisture back into your shoe, because water dries out leather. So as you clean it and condition it, you want to put the moisture back into it. This also protects the leather from water, protects the leather from drying out. So instead of the actual sun drying out your leather shoes, it's actually going to dry out the actual coconut oil first. Didn't I tell you guys it would be easy?